Today I will show you how to crochet this baby blanket, which is so soft and the texture is just so nice. The hardest part of this blanket is the first row, and then after that it's so easy to do. You can sit and watch TV and don't think about anything, and then you will get this beautiful baby blanket. But I will show you from start to finish exactly how to do this. If you prefer a written pattern, I will of course also leave a link for that in the description below. But let's begin crocheting this one now. Okay, let's go. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I've used this yarn from this name I cannot pronounce, but it's very soft and it's kind of like a teddy yarn. And it has this easy start. You just pull this one and then begin crocheting. The info about it is right here. And I will, of course, write down in the description how much yarn you will need for a big blanket. Then I've used a 4.5mm crochet hook and some scissors and a tapestry needle. So we begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, wrap it from the middle with your hook and pull. Now we want to create a chain, and this chain will be the width of our blanket. So you just continue until you like the width of your blanket, and you have to crochet these chains very lightly. So don't tighten this, you need big loops because this is impossible to crochet with. I think you're only supposed to knit with this, but I really like the look of this crocheted blanket. So yarn over and pull through and keep it very loose. Yarn over, pull through, keep it loose, just pull a bit so you get big loops. And just continue until you like the width of your blanket. So now let's say that this is the width of my blanket. Yours will of course be a lot bigger, but you see the stitches are impossible to see. So this first row will be impossible to crochet. I'm sorry, but it is. You have to look for the stitches. So you see this loop, that is the first, and this is the second chain, and you will find the third chain in here. When you get this first row over and all done, then it's all right to crochet, but this first row is very hard. You will do triple crochet, so you yarn over twice, and then you insert the hook into this third chain and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, and yarn over, pull through, 2. So you have this first triple crochet, and you have this. And this will be the stitch for the next round, so it will be a lot easier for the next row. But now you find your next stitch down here. This one, I found it. Woohoo! Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2. You see it's very, very nice. And again, yarn over twice, insert the hook in the next chain, and finish your triple crochet. And see this first row as a challenge, a personal challenge in your life. All right, so just continue all the way across with 1 triple crochet in each chain. And remember all the way that it gets easier on the next row. And this is how first row looks. Now we want to continue for the next many rows, which is a lot easier. So you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you turn the work. Now we want to crochet into these loops between the stitches. So you don't have to find the stitches on top anymore. You will just see these gaps between the stitches, and these will be where to put the hook in. So the first stitch, oh, I twisted this. The first stitch will be between the first 2 stitches. So still triple crochet, yarn over twice, and insert the hook into this gap between the stitches and finish your stitch. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then find your next stitch right here. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch in between the stitches, and finish your triple crochet. All right. Then go for the next one, this one, in between the stitches, yarn over twice, and finish your triple crochet. Continue like this all the way across. And after row 2, it looks like this and gets a lot easier. Then you chain 3 again. So you chain 3 at the end of each row, then you turn and continue repeating row 2. So you find your first stitch down here, and then you do a triple crochet. So yarn over twice, triple crochet into this, pull through, pull through, pull through, and then continue like this. So just one triple crochet in each of these gaps in between the stitches, and you just continue repeating row 2 until you have the height of your blanket. And then after a while, you'll have this very nice baby blanket. It's so nice to touch and it's just lovely. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!